all enjoy to have our food at a good restaurant with nice ambience, great quality food with welcoming staff. But many times we might experience a bit of sickness right after dining. In our country, food poisoning and other illness right after eating out have become quite common. What could be the reason for this? Well, it's very simple. Hygiene and sanitation. We judge places based on what we see from the outside and decide if they are good enough to eat at. But there can be numerous bacteria in the kitchen storage of the same hotel that are not visible to the naked eye. These microorganisms can be very dangerous for both customers and employees, making them prone to illness. Many hotel and restaurant owners work specifically on cleaning and sanitation in their kitchen and other areas, including storage areas. However, common chemical sanitation liquids or powders are not effective in killing all these dangerous microorganisms. More importantly, if these sanitizers come in contact with food, the food becomes unfit to consume. In restaurants, fruits and vegetables and other raw materials are often bought in bulk and stored. Many times these fruits and vegetables spoil before being used due to microbial contamination. Taking into consideration of these issues, Ocean Laboratories India have introduced Miracle Everyday Food Safe Sanitizer, a 100% organic and food grade solution, and Miracle Everyday N44F, a FSSAI certified food shelf life enhancer. So how exactly does Food Safe Sanitizer work? Food Safe Sanitizer has been found to be 99.999% effective in killing various microbes, including bacteria, virus and fungus like Salmonella, E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus and many others. Food Safe Sanitizer can be used in cold storages, warehouses as well as raw material storage areas, where it eliminates all the bacteria on the surface and creates a protective shield, keeping it safe for a longer period of time. Being completely food grade, it is entirely safe even if it comes in contact with food. Now, talking about the food shelf life enhancer. This is also a 100% organic FSSAI approved product that works to enhance the shelf life of food. It kills all the harmful bacteria present on the fruit, vegetables, meat products and many other items, thereby increasing the shelf life. Using these products can completely solve the spoilage problem in storage for hotels and restaurants, while also ensuring the health and safety of customers as well as employees. So by using these 100% organic and food grade products, you can maintain and enhance the quality of the food prepared in your hotel or restaurant. For more information, visit